Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be changing the jockey wheels or the pulley wheels on me mountain bike because they're pretty worn. I'm sure they're pretty worn and it's been quite a few years since I changed them. So I've got a new set here and we'll do that now. Get these taken off, get the new ones put on, and hopefully you'll make a big difference because the chain's been a little bit iffy, the running of the chain. So hopefully this will correct that. So let's get on with that now. Get them taken off and get the new ones put on, shall we? I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Cadence, the cycling app that can replace an expensive cycle computer. Available for Android and Apple devices, Cadence is your go-to app for tracking runs, rides and indoor workouts and gives you over 100 stats. Cadence uses GPS, barometer, pedometer, Apple Watch and Bluetooth sensors to map and track your activities, which you can customize however you like. It's got built-in turn-by-turn navigation and you can easily import routes or create your own. You can even share your live location or compete on Strava segments right in the app. It's all private, all powerful, and it's all in your pocket. So these are the jockey wheels or the pulley wheels, and what they do is they guide the chain around your derailleur, around the cogs and back around. And when they get worn, the teeth on them just get too worn and they just don't do the job properly. And quite often you get like shark's teeth. Instead of being like a square top on the tooth, they end up being the shark's teeth. So obviously just don't do the job as they're meant to do. So let's get these off first of all before we put the new ones on. You know the old saying, when man makes plans, God laughs. And that's been the case with me yesterday I should say, because I started to do this yesterday and I discovered that the heads on the bolts which fastened the jockey wheels on were completely mangled. One was okay, but the other one was just completely mangled. I couldn't get off. I did get off eventually, but I was on for ages and ages. You can probably see in the background here, my wheels gone off the bike. Took the wheel off because you need to take the wheel off to actually do this job. I should have mentioned that. And some people actually take the chain off as well. You can take the chain off and do it, but I've left my chain on. But I come to take the jockey wheel off and it was just chewed up the head, really chewed up. I don't know how it's getting like that, but it was all chewed up. Obviously I must have done it at some point. Last time I changed these jockey wheels about 3 years ago, so maybe I put it on a bit tight. It's a new day, different day. I've got some new screws. Got these off Amazon. Luckily got them delivered the next day. But yeah, £9 these were, £8.99. Couldn't believe it, the price for four screws. Four screws, so I'm going to now carry on where we left off. I've actually took one of the jockey wheels off, the one that had the mangled screw. So I took the front one off. That was one of the mangled screw, which screwed in from the other side. And then today I'm going to take this one off. No, actually, when I normally do these, I tend to do one at a time so that the whole cage doesn't fall apart. But obviously the front one's already off, so the cage will come apart now when I take this off. And wait till you see the state of the actual jockey wheel. Because the front one was horrendous, and I'm sure this one will just be as bad. So we take that little screws there, which on mine, the other one, you probably can't see in this camera because it's too small, but the head was all mangled up on the other screw. This one's not so bad actually, but I'm going to replace it anyway. Look at the state of that. I don't know if the camera will focus. That's a shocking state. Absolutely shocking state. That's how it should look. I'm embarrassed to say that I've let it get that bad. I didn't actually notice it was that bad because obviously I replaced it earlier, but I've never seen them get as bad as that. It's really, really badly worn them down. So yeah, so it'll make a big difference replacing these. So let's get them replaced now. You can see here where the chain's actually been catching on the bottom of the cage because the wheel's been kind of wobbling around and it's made a catch. So that's the sign as well that wasn't running right. As I say, you can take the chain off and it'll probably make it a lot easier, but I've just decided to leave it on this time. Just tightening the hanger up there as well because that come a bit loose. There's a little hanger there, so just tightening that up. We don't want that coming loose. That's better. Put a little bit of spray on me derailleur, a bit of GT85. So I've got the two new jockey wheels here, but one thing to take note of is one goes at the bottom and one goes at the top. You notice there, it says tension pulley. That one goes at the bottom. And then the G pulley, which is this one, has G on it, just there. You probably can't see on this camera very well, but that one goes at the top. So that one goes up here and that one goes down there. You take notice of the arrow. There's an arrow just here. That goes in the direction of the chain travel. So for this one here, it'll be clockwise. Okay, that's the back one. It doesn't need very tightening, just nip it up a bit. And then we'll do the front one. It's a good idea to put a little bit of grease on your jockey wheels as well, which I've just done. This one doesn't have a direction of travel, so you don't have to worry about any arrows or anything like that. And this one fastens from the other side, as you can see. Again, just hand tight. Don't want it too tight. Don't want to make this mistake I made last time and obviously tighten them up too much. So one bonus, I've got some fancy little red nuts on the end there now though. And as you can see, that's it. Both jockey wheels in there, bit of grease on each, and that's ready now to put the wheel back on. It's such a simple job, but it makes such a big difference to the run of the bike. So I'm going to put the wheel back on now, and it's all done. So as you saw, not a big job, apart from the fact of, in my case, I needed to replace two little bolts, which cost a fortune. But apart from that, easy job if it all goes to plan. But it makes a huge difference to the run of the bike, because them jockey wheels can wear out, and you don't really notice them wearing out. You just notice that it's not running right, things are catching, rough, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's worth doing, it's worth doing. Anyway, as always, thank you much for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all later. See you later, bye bye.